Welcome back. We are now going to enter the subdomain section. And this is where we will be able to create a subdomain. For example, now a subdomain is where we can create a separate site or a separate set of files that we can point to in an address that we create as an extension of our website. So for example, you'll see here that cPanel uses the example blog.example.com or blog.yourdomain.com. So for example, we would determine what we want this separate website, even though it's going to be an extension of our current website, to be. In this case, we would be creating a subdomain called videos, videos.ourdomain.com. That's going to point to a subdirectory of ourdomain.com/videos. And all of the files for that domain will be in that subdirectory. So in other words, even though we're going to be housing what looks like a separate website on our existing domain, it's all going to be within a subdirectory. And what we can do now is we can now build our site by putting our files inside of this subdirectory in our file manager. And then when we visit the address videos.ourdomain.com, it will actually look as if it is a new and separate website. And the files will be kept in this subdirectory that is videos, which is ourdomain.com/videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.